How to go live on TikTok on Android. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok and then click on your profile located at bottom right. Then click on plus button at bottom. You'll find live option beside templates. If you don't find it here, simply go to your profile, click on three lines on top right, then click on settings and privacy. In settings and privacy, scroll down till you find a report a problem. Click on report a problem. Then in here, click on live and then click on hosting live. Click on how to start a live. You'll find all these answers. If your problem is not resolved by these question and answer, simply click on need more help. And in here, simply type in I can't go live or simply I need live button. And TikTok support will help you. As you can see, going live is currently unavailable due to following reasons, which is follower requirement. Follower requirement is 1K plus followers and it does not meet requirements, so I have no live button. This is how to go live on TikTok on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off until next time.